Windows 10 remote desktop sound/drive redirection not working. I am currently having issues with sound redirection while using remote desktop connecting to a Windows 10 Pro Creators Update host. I am able to connect using RDP, however the host sound is not transmitted to the RDP session. I can see the remote sound icon in the tray, and it shows when audio is playing with the volume bar. Things I have tried. Rebooting. Checking host and client volume control. Verifying that RDP client has play on this computer. Using different RDP clients to connect. Android/Windows default/Windows Store. Disabling firewall/ARV. Checking sound service. Remote desktop service are started. Checked group policies for RDP sound redirection. Checked reg value for disable audio capture. Safe mode. Unable to start required services in safe mode. I have Realtek audio drivers and NVIDIA audio drivers installed on the host, but that shouldn't affect the remote desktop sound redirection as far as I know. Edit. Also, the drive redirection doesn't appear to be working, so it looks like an RDP issue rather than a sound issue. I'd rather use RDP rather than other software like VNC.
The solution to this problem was that the following service was disabled. Remote Desktop Services User Mode Port Redirector. After enabling this service and setting to automatic, by pressing Win+R and opening services.msc, all was working again. Edit. At Sembaminen in the comments mentions that restarting the Windows Audio service on the host fixed it for them, and it appears to fix the issue for a lot of other people too.
As at Sembaminen mentioned, restarting the Windows Audio services, I use the Audio Endpoint Builder as this is the root service, worked for me. This is a case I see often, and results in Windows being unable to pick up the new device registered by the RDP port redirector. Thus I think we're seeing different root causes here, as restarting the audio services forces the system to pick up the new audio devices, while the RDP port redirector creates those devices in the first place. This service of course has to be enabled for audio redirection to work. For the German users out there, the RDP port redirector is called Anschlussenleitung for remotedesktop im Benutzer in German in case you're looking for it.
I tried all the above mentioned tips but none resolved my remote sound issue. What did resolve it was going to the settings in GT, system and GT, sound on the client PC, scrolling down to advanced sound options and selecting app volume device preferences, and lo and behold the RDP app volume was set at 0. Once increased to 100 all worked fine.
I had the same problem. I found a reason is plug and play device not auto using. If anyone using plug and play devices can fix. Click Show Options. Switch tab, Local Resources, equals and GT, click More. Check Allow All.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.